Like I did the weed on this one, you heard me? I'm so creative when I do shit, you heard me? Look. Young sitting, man, the things that I do, man, I do so many wrong things, damn I gotta do, but I kinda do shit when you kinda be a young man growing in the stuff that I do, you gotta be a man. My shit's so hard, can you stand, man, need to be a vet, man, can you do the shit I do, can you walk in my footsteps like Mike, but I'm not Michael Jackson, so I'm not gonna fight, and yes, I'm bad doing, I don't wear no gloves though, but I'm so sexy, and yes, I'm best, bitch, I'm good when I do this sex, man, make you think I invented this, that's the best, pay attention to the words that I say, can't nobody rap like me, man, anyway, man, I'm so high, always on the prime, man, I'm talking that perk, man, now I'm never lie, this is fun, though I'm free, this shit, man, see how I made this song like this, I said I was gonna make a song quick, but people doubt me, man, I'm a hit, and YE is the next big thing, man, heaven, hell, that's the group, anyway, yes, I am the CEO, anyway, then I have construction, don't forget my cook, hey, pay attention, man, I'm talking about Diva's Kitchen, hey, you can hit the video, go look at Facebook, man, I'm a fool, man, I'm in the production, you should call me director, hold up, lights, camera, action, now I'm about to star, I'm gonna be a TV star, call me Pluto, cause I got a cold heart every time I know you. Understand though, this is fun, man. Like I said, that I'm a kid in a bakery, talking about a bakery, cause I get my stacks up, getting out the bread, man. Benjamin, I ask up. If you don't have $100,000, you can't probably sign me, man. I got a problem, cause I'm so hot every time I hear a beat, man. Now I'm like Kobe when I hear a beat, man. Pay attention, but this the 21st, so you can call me Chris Johnson, man. I get hurt. Matter of fact, you can call me LT, even though I'm kinda old, man. I still got beat, man. Understand though, I'm just 20, 21 and one more month, man. That's about to be. So I'm about to show y'all this my year, man. 2010 Jersey, man, my year. And this shit's so ridiculous, no hook, man. I rap this whole beat, did you look? And if you really heard everything that I said, man, you probably gonna say, man, he could go different, he could go fall, man, he could hit it fall. He could be like Breeze, we could hit the team, man. You could call Saint, man, just because I'm from New Orleans, man. The KGC and Gumbo beat. Goddamn, man, this shit fun, man. Every time I hear a beat, I run fun. You can say this shit I do every day, man. Do you vibe with me, man? Gotta say, damn, I run that beat. Must say, man, this shit cool, man. Did you hear me? But anything, let me get back to the street, man. Let me tell you how I do this beat. And then I used to do some things, man. I was on the block, used to do my other thing, man. I hit a crack, man. I lost my best friend, man. Shot in his head right next to me. Did I say that? I never told nobody about that, man. That's a true story, man. So my life got tracked. I got so many different fucking tests. You'll think I'm lying when I tell you about my testing. But I know I'm an angel from God, dude. Cause every time I had a problem, I got fought, man. And every time I have a different stroke, I got a wound. That's why my tats on my body, did you know? Pay attention, I got a lot about me. Ain't nobody understand this book, I'm a diary. I'm so different, man. I'm gorgeous, man. I'm exquisite, man. It's glory. Yeah, it's Young Sin every time, though. Y'all kinda stutter, but my tongue on my mind, though. I'm moving so quick like Twister, but I could do this like Wayne and I'm Mr. Sin, cause when you meet me, you could be Mrs. Baby, wanna be? Damn, that's a hint. Think about it. This shit's so hot, everybody think about it. Yeah, Young Sin in here. This shit fun, did you hear me in here? Told you I could make a song, and I did it on the accident, but I put it on. But I'm not home alone, this not part 3. We can have a sequel in the back street. Matter of fact, we can have fun on your butt, but I ain't just playing, girl, you want a nut? God damn, that shit was fun. You heard me? That was a YE production.